Virginia's U.S. senators have introduced a bill in Congress that they say will reduce gun violence in America. Included in their proposal, a provision commonly known as Lucia's Law, inspired by a terrible tragedy in central Virginia. Capitol Bureau reporter Tyler Englander has the details.
In 2021, 13-year-old Lucia Bramer died in her mother's arms after being shot 9 times in Henrico County. Her killer, a 14-year-old with documented mental health problems who used a loaded handgun he found in his home.
We had that tragedy in central Virginia where a caregiver, frankly, should have been aware that they were giving a gun to someone that could be in harm's way.
That's why Virginia Senators Mark Warner and Tim Kaine have introduced a bill in Congress that would charge parents with a crime if their child gets access to their gun after they've been deemed a threat to themselves or others. They're calling it Lucia's Law.
Maybe if Lucia's Law had been in place earlier, we could have prevented the enormous tragedy that took place in Newport News a number of months back, where the school teacher was shot.
Last month, Governor Glenn Youngkin signed a similar bill into law on the state level after it received bipartisan support in the General Assembly. On the federal level, pointing to a recent case in Michigan where the parents of a convicted mass shooter were convicted of involuntary manslaughter, Warner says most Americans agree that adults need to be more responsible with their firearms.
And I think this direction of holding adults responsible when firearms get in hands of minors that shouldn't be in their hands, I think this is starting to be a national movement.
At the state capitol, I'm Tyler Englander.